we began this 1 p.m. broadcast with. That is, of course, the Delhi Chalo march of the farmers from Haryana as the capital is bracing for crippling jams once again. Chaos has erupted at the Shambhu border. Farmers have reportedly broken the barricades. Haryana government has also suspended internet services, especially in Ambala. Now remember, these farmers, as we were telling you, are demanding a legal guarantee of MSP along with a host of other demands. And we see that the protest has now escalated and internet services have been suspended by the Haryana government in Ambala, and as the police have now broken the farmers have now broken through 3 rounds of barricades that have been put at this point. Let's go across to my colleague Tejshri, who's joining us live at this point. Tejshri, what is the latest coming in? From what we understand, the situation has worsened on the ground.
Well, yes, first of all, let me tell you that we are reporting from Punjab-Haryana border, the Shambhu border, and already the 3 levels of barricading has been broken by the farmers. And in fact, we will straight away show you the visuals. And in fact, here you can see that the farmers farmers have already reached to the 3rd level of barricading. And in fact, they were also trying to break that particular wall that you can see in your visuals. And in fact, police is continuously instructing them to move back from this particular area because, in fact, you can see that they are all ready to also fire the tear gas shells, and also the farmers are ready to cross the borders. We have seen that how the last time situation went very critical, and today that is why the paramilitary forces have been deployed in large numbers, and that is why you can see that this particular layer of barricading has also been broken, which was put at place. This particular layer of barricading was broken. Then you see that there were nails also that were installed over here, that also have been crossed. And now next is what we are expecting is that the paramilitary forces will soon fire the tear gas shells. And in fact, they are also as of now having arguments with the farmers. Farmers are adamant. They are saying that several rounds of talks were held with the government, but there was no consensus to the talks. There was no conclusion to the talks. And also I would take you to my left hand side, where you can see that the paramilitary forces are also deployed over here. This particular highway has 2 lanes, the right and the left. So apart from this particular lane, the opposite lane to this particular border is also, in fact, you can see that barricaded. Not just one but several levels of barricading has been done. As you can see that how the paramilitary forces are deployed over here, and not just, in fact, they're at below also. You can see that just below this river canal, if the farmers cross from this particular area, there also the forces have been deployed. So huge number of forces have been deployed, and farmers have been saying that they will be continuing their protest. If they are not allowed to enter today, they will continue to enter today. Their demand is the farmers waive off the farmers loan, and in fact the second demand is the MSP. So these are the demands, and along with this other several demands that they have been asking for. And in fact, they are saying that this is the 297th day of the protest, and they will be continuing this protest. In fact, also the tents have been built by the farmers, and they will be staying over here at the Shambhu border. And they say that if they are not allowed to go today, they will continue tomorrow to march towards this particular border. But yes, as of now, the internet also has been suspended in the Ambala district. Here also in the internet is slowed down. As of now, the situation seems to be in control because the forces have already been deployed over here. But now we'll have to see that what happens next, until how long this particular protest continues. Back to you.
All right, Tejshri, thanks a lot for joining us with those developments. Now,